Royal commentator Neil Sean reflected on the upcoming season of Netflix's royal drama The Crown. He noted that Prince William is frustrated the upcoming season is set to depict Princess Diana's BBC interview with Martin Bashir. He added, "Prince Harry is in a difficult position regarding speaking out about the Crown." However, Mr. Sean insisted if Prince Harry released a statement against the depiction of the Diana interview, or stepped away from his own Netflix project, he may improve his relationship with the UK royals, most notably Prince William. Mr. Neil Sean said, "There is a brand new series Looming, Season 5 of The Crown on Netflix. They have decided to dramatise, this is ludicrous in itself, the infamous interview between Princess Diana and the disgraced BBC journalist Martin Bashir. Prince William has vented his anger on this particular situation." The writer Peter Morgan says that it has to remain in the series because it is part of historical history. That is laughable in itself because we know The Crown is not historically correct. To say you want to put that it is disgraceful behavior. Mr. Sean highlighted how this controversy could be a great opportunity for Prince Harry and Prince William to unite. Mr. Sean said, "Prince Harry has that megadeal with Netflix that he is going to release in the early part of next year. It is interesting because Prince Harry has said nothing about anything related to working for Netflix. But he is in a difficult place. He could quit and give the money back, but I don't see that happening. He could put out a statement saying that he too is unhappy. For Prince William, first think this is going to be very hurtful, not just for him but for Princess Diana's sisters and brother." Mr. Sean closed by saying, "For Harry, Meghan, and Prince William moving forward they have bigger problems on how this particular situation could in fact try and cement them together once again. If Harry really does want to reconnect with his British family, perhaps he needs to bite the bullet and cut his losses with the streaming giant for good."